In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund a Stripe account. To get started, log into your Stripe account and head to your dashboard. Once you're signed in, look over to the left sidebar and click on Balances. This is where Stripe shows the money available across different balance types, and it's also where you can manually add funds when that option is available for your account. On the Balances page, click Add Funds. Stripe will then guide you through a short funding flow. First, choose the balance you want to fund. For example, you may see an option like Refunds and Disputes Balance. This is useful if you want to keep money available specifically for refunds, chargebacks, or dispute-related activity, rather than waiting for incoming payments to cover those amounts. Next, enter the amount you want to add. Take a moment here to double-check the amount before moving on, especially if you're funding a balance for operational reasons. Once everything looks correct, click Next. Now select your funding method. In many cases, you'll see wire transfer, although other available methods may appear depending on your region or account setup. After choosing the funding method, Stripe will display the bank transfer information you need to complete the payment. Carefully review the bank transfer details shown on screen. These instructions are important because they tell you exactly where the money needs to be sent, so Stripe can match the transfer to your account correctly. Copy the bank account details provided by Stripe, then go to your bank and send the funds using those exact details. Make sure the transfer information matches what Stripe displays, including any reference information if it's shown, since that can help avoid delays in processing. If you're working in a test account instead of a live account, Stripe may give you the option to click Simulate Top-Up. This lets you simulate adding funds without making a real bank transfer, which is helpful for testing your workflow before handling actual money. After that, wait for Stripe to process the transfer. Bank transfers are not always instant, so it may take some time before the funds appear in your account. Once enough time has passed, return to the Balances page and check the updated balance. Finally, verify that the funds have been added to your Stripe balance. If the amount appears correctly, then the funding process is complete. Thanks for watching.